Sanibonani. Welcome to another episode. This show is dedicated to all types of artists to share their stories, experiences, and challenges they face in the entertainment industry.
The saga continues.
Stay with us.
Hello, guys. You are welcome again to this show. Let's get cozy with crazy. Crazy.
Hey,
Grand.
Kishabu, wena.
Kishabu hlena mfethu, it's been long.
Yeah.
It's been like years.
Sure.
Yeah. Ngiyakubona ukuthi uyaphusha like ziningi izinto ozenzayo.
Yeah.
So I'm not going to say. I want you to say.
That's what I do.
Yeah.
I'm a sound engineer, electrical engineer, but I drop out electrical engineer.
Okay.
And then I'm a film producer, script editor, like artist, and I also manage talent. There's a lot that I do, and I also push like a brand, as you can see, Life Yakasi. And then I'm now busy trying to invent into water and wine and all those things, but no, like paperwork, I'm still busy nazo. Mari for sure, amanzi azophuma from next month. Yeah,
Oh, really? Uyaphusha baba. Uyaphusha and ngigcina mina usesemncane. I mean like you were still young. Going
I
then
remember we met. I think we met Gupiku.
Bettina wethu.
Yeah, Bettina
Soweto.
Wait,
Yeah.
Soweto, yeah, and then we kept contacts.
Yeah.
Yeah, but mina for mina being lapho for ukuthola ama connections, like just to network with people, get to, because mina I don't really like to be like extra and background actors,
Yeah.
like abantu bayuziwa, so I don't like the department.
Tell me about it.
Yeah.
Tell me. I remember that time. Siphume lapha yana silwile like.
Yeah.
Especially.
Because I talk a lot. Yeah.
Especially thina soyisube sikhuluma kakhulu
Yes.
ukuthi you know what,
Yeah.
we are here for this, then lena ibuya kuphi ke manje.
Exactly.
Yeah, ne.
I don't know, like we spoke before, I feel like the industry is sort of like set up for certain people, or certain people ba kwala channel for batho, or ama agency ripping off abantu. Like I think that's my own reason why ngafuna ukuba a background actor.
Ne.
Yes.
Because once waba background actor, like uba laphayana until kukhona abantu abanama 15 years, 20 years.
Yes,
And the
yes.
problem is that i-rate like 20 years back.
Yeah.
I-rate isasafana nayana namhlanje.
Let's have ngikubuza, are you sure ukuthi mhlambe ama agency arobha abantu and ama production aphathala kahle, or both ama production agency barobha abantu? Because of instead, let's say musma you shoot as a background, let's say the main character uzofika ashoot iscene yakhe ahambe less than 30 minutes, right? And then extra ithole ama 250 afike lapha esetini ngo 6 o'clock,
Ahambe ngo 6.
ahambe ngo 6, or even ebusuku. And
yeah.
then what ama agency does is like bagijimele into eyi-1 uthi did you sign ngitold.
ne.
And then after signing they don't care about you, basisha ama phones off. I knew people bebala like back station, abanye
Yeah.
bebala like Bramfontein project, because of there's no taxis, you understand. At least now so kunama ama Bolt nama Uber, which is now sometimes ebusuku work or safe.
Yeah.
So like I just feel like ama race mele akhuphuke, you understand. If ama background actors, they can like get together and work as a unit. If atitoitoye asishuti for the next 12 months, EP production is over grand without my background actors, because I feel like they think with my background is nothing, but without my background
There's nothing. Yeah.
You understand. So then it comes to a point where like amanye background actors, they sort of like they doing it, but mina ngijabulile kuyohlangana nobani bani, or ucheck mabaso or ngiyohlangana nobani. And then there's the very same people abahlangana nabo esetini, the ama celebrities, ama actors, they treat ama background actors ngathi like they nothing.
Yeah, ngathi ba
Yeah.
ngathi like angazi hle ngathi ngabantu nje abahlanyayo like yeah.
Yes. Certain productions, like okay, ngibane kuye mina personally, yeah, I was one of like my background lead. Yabona. Isiphindiselo, I don't know if you remember.
Yes,
it.
I do.
Isiphindiselo for me, I would say I don't know whether who's responsible for that, if he's a casting director or if a director or a producer, the whole thing. Utshele wonke umuntu, everybody must be treated the same, because of like lapha there's no way ukuthi ulaki udla inyama eso wena uzodla icabbage ne-rice
Yeah.
lapha everyone was treated the same.
Wow.
Yeah, whether you white, whether you black, whether you Indian, whether you background actor, whether you main character,
Is
sonke
it?
singena la, sonke simayelani, wena funani beef or chicken, you get the same.
Akukho lapho kuthiwa
Yeah.
ukudla kuphelile then like hambani yohlala.
Yes, and then they also gave like something like kufana ukuthi ma kune coke kune sprite kune whatever wena ufunani ngifuna coke wena ufunani ngifuna like but if main character ithole 500 nami ngizothola 500 ml, you understand? There's only production expand kuya now was I'm like I wanna learn there's the production I wanna like nami mankhula I must be like this, you understand?
Yeah.
So like amanye production you know what I'm
I
talking
know
about
that
abanye
very
bahlaba
well.
ngecabbage
Yeah. Oh maybe ungatholi naleyo khabishi baba.
exactly,
Ungayitholi
uphuza
nayo.
amanzi like if there, but and then let's say uthala 160 or 250 cent background
Yeah.
uhlala like boma western area
Okay.
or Proteadland ugibele so much, you understand? And then you return endleleni sometimes or mawubuya you spend uthenga isale cool drink or ubambisa nje,
Amafruit.
so you spend like maybe 300 and you getting 250 a day. For me it doesn't make sense. The interest is
Doesn't.
just rigged.
It
Yeah,
doesn't.
what?
I once said, if maybe they were paying per hour, because sometimes bayakubiza bathi i-call time yakho ngu-6 ufika ngo-6 uhambe uyoshuta ngo-3
Yes.
uhlala laphayana the whole day. But if they were paying, if they can keep the rate ye 200 rand,
Yeah.
but bayazi ukuthi they are paying per hour.
Yes.
If maybe kena per 2 hours, like nge 2 hours urate ileyo 200 rand, lapho angeke bagcine the whole day. Bagcina
Yes.
the whole day because bayazi ukuthi
Like
Kuba
you are
booking
changed
effect,
nje,
yeah.
and then they're using ama peanuts. Fana na I don't know but kuma extras ngiyayibona ngiyayifeel leyo ne. And then kuma main characters like example mhlambe umuntu elite kwi movie. If athi iphekhola yakhe ngithi uyasho ukuthi iphekhola is how much?
yes.
Athi 10,000, right? Then mina as a director or a producer ngizowenza sure wonke umuntu oshuta nawe namhlanje belabe khona.
Okay.
So I can overwork you.
6
You understand?
yeah.
And then
yeah,
when
yeah.
I kusasa zokhuluma movie masethengile movie Tshepo ngiropile guy 10,000, you said you want 10,000.
You
Right.
signed for
So
that.
I think nabo ama actors they don't know nothing about behind the scenes. You understand? So that's where umuntu athi hey bangiropile lapho bangayi 60,000 movie yenze 3 million. Yeah, masebenze kuma retail. Angithi ukhola 2.5.
yeah.
Yeah, ngeke bakugaye because of bona bayenze 10 million a day bazogaya that much. They
No.
won't. You agree to sign. What I'm saying ukuthi okay, I'm a background, I know people are desperate because they wanna but when it comes to you umuntu onesay ne agent yakho, you say how much you want for a day. It's like mangikubook as an artist or a DJ, you say mina ngifuni 5,000 from 6 to 7.
Yeah.
10 to 7 ngiyagoqa ngiyahamba. You understand? If you want more, then you need to pay for overtime.
Exactly.
There's a thing. So I think even the negotiations like as fun, but like manje we're shooting. There's a team. There's a operator.
Yes.
You can't operate everything ohlelela, you understand?
Exactly.
So if into yakho yakhula uzohamba nalo muntu ophuma naye fair, you understand? Like as you can see some of the podcast they've been signed by this broadcaster. I think nakhona izochincha mentality because it won't be raw like it used to be. Remember once ungena on ama broadcaster ikase iba involved. So you can't say whatever you want to say like before uspana ku YouTube for freestyling.
Yeah.
So same applies. That's why ngibengithi kuwe even ama artists where they were signed and then by complain ukuthi record label yangiropa. You signed. Like
And
you
you
signed.
signed.
Why do you complain
Uvumile.
after uqeda ukusign?
Kuvume wena baba.
Exactly. So angeke umuntu invest kuwe 1 million and then your first gig uthola 10,000 or 30,000 for booking. And then okay 4,000. When uthi angiropile ngayi 4,000. Mela thole imali yakhe back. Ukuya ngami is not even supposed to give you nothing because of already sekagayet funds.
Yeah.
So ama artists now ahlanyiswa ukuthi bakutshela ukuthi like wena so kayidladla so kayimoto you don't even know ukuthi abhalwe kuwe or kanjani.
Yeah,
You
understand.
know. Yes.
And ama-artists amaningi ayakhala baba.
Exactly.
Last time ndikubona you were background
Yes.
and then now like see ndikubona you have your own production baba
Yeah.
and akusi production like nje.
Yeah.
The more isikhathi sihamba iyakhula.
Cool, yeah.
Sikhiphani baba?
Like I said before, ukuthi mina ngibe background. Now officially mina I'm not an actor. I have not good.
Because
If
you're
ngibona
shy,
lapha
look at
nalapha.
you.
Ngifuna ukuzama ama points nje yabona.
Yeah.
But mina from background is like bengifuna ukusosa ama background actors. So I can work with them. Ukuthi okay wena ubuyenza 5 years extras kuphi.
Yeah.
How about you work with me?
Okay.
Low budget movies and then you wenza a steering or a supporting role so you
Okay.
can learn and like keep a voice like people don't know you. Did you mama ngibonile yimi ngibengidlula? That's nonsense.
It
So,
doesn't mean anything
Yeah.
baba.
So my production like if I submit for ama community broadcasting stations, there's no money there because they just give a platform. And then if it's a national, like now I have like a few on national, then we must know movie ipopile ngisayine contract ngithola imali, there's your card. So some will say hayi mina ngicela nge1,000 rand and I give you 1,000 rand, you sign and then movie mazothengisa
Istory sakho seniqedile ngayo.
yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So beside filming we also do sound system. We also shoot ama weddings, photography, videographer, ama drone operator. So sometimes if the production is huge and then I'm mixing ama productions from Z, from Banibani, then
Yeah.
okay wena uzashaya sound, mina ngizoshaya cameraman, omunye uzoshaya. If abekho ama cameraman sasenzela because of like I taught myself because of like I didn't go to school for filming. Mina I was getting annoyed where like I shoot something trying to tell a story, hey PC crashile, hey angitholi memory card or a late editing. Then I started learning how to edit for myself and I started shooting. Ngenza ama mistake but then now I would say I'm 98% ukuspanisa production.
Yeah,
on my
ngisibonile
own.
isiponsor. Ngisibonile isiponsor.
Yeah. So now the thing is for us as ama artists and ama presenter or whatever, just like a based in arts, when you start this thing, abantu bakusupport, they're like you're wasting your time. Mina immediately maqala ama movie adlala ko SABC and I had people like, hey Kazi, hey bani. I'm like, you guys didn't believe in what I do. And I used to say mina one day nizowabona ama movie ami kuma production akho hayi lo yaphupha la.
Yeah.
So mina what I'm saying, if you usendlini ufuna kuba sound or a boom operator or whatever, just go there and do it. If in the production around you, cela ukuspana nabo, even they don't pay you, at least some of them I don't pay them mascala. Then I make sure ukuthi ukudla and then
Yeah.
ukuthi umuntu angasipani ngendlala, understand?
Yes.
And then just go there and ucele or come through ucele ukuspana ube grip, understand? You start from somewhere. Mari you are in rounding yonke mayiphele uzogcina wazi yonke into because of your
When you're
dedication.
there,
Yes.
most of the things mina ngizifunde kwi background.
Yes.
Like art, like izinto eziningi ngizifunde laphayana because
Yes.
bengingahlali nje.
Yes.
Bengibheka ukuthi kuyenzakalani. Oh, okay, lo kumele
Yeah.
ukuthi ayenze sona so you understand.
Yes.
So like na ngokunjalo if umuntu uza kuzo usebenza uyabona like the more isikhathi sihamba eloko esebenza ugain more information.
Yes.
Okay, that's great. Mfethu
Yeah.
usebenzile and then wena ingathi udobhadobha yonke into. Dobhadobha
Yeah,
yonke into
do.
uyacula nokucula.
Yeah. I'm so
Baba,
serious.
yeah.
That's the reason ngithi like now ngitshela ukuthi abantu abafuna uku-investa kwe company, they sort of like become like ngathi mina ngikhuluma kakhulu when I'm on a meeting because of like I ask a lot, you understand? Angeke uthi uzongigayi one figure and ngithi okay sure ngiyasayina. I want to know what's the catch.
Yeah.
You understand? Because of like I say, if I'm getting something from a Sambro now, is the work that I did before when I ufuna ukufaka imali company yami. So you can't be getting debt. That's my copyright. That's my IP. You understand? So it's better ngithi okay ngifuna ukuproduce a certain thing, unga-investa ku this and then this is your percentage. You understand?
Mhm.
So that's the things that I've been learning along the way. Ukuthi mina, I remember there was this label, besi 3 amajita or 4, and then they went behind my back, right? And then they blow off for few minutes nyana. You understand? So I mean, I think uthi kube ne meeting behind my back is because of like ask certain questions, because I was asking,
Yeah.
okay,
And the people abafuni ukubuza ama questions.
abafuni, and then-
Abafuni.
and
You
then-
must say, okay, it's fine.
yeah,
Makuphelele lapho.
exactly. And then I always believe ukuthi uNkulunkulu, like, if umnyango uyavaleka, there's a reason why. If uzovuleka after 3 years, there's a reason why.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
If you're pretending to support what I do, and then you're really pretending, in these 3 years, uzosala, because you're like, ngikhathele.
Khathela ukupretend.
You
Because
understand?
phela umuntu uma pretend upretend amayiqeda lapha azabonisa ama true colors
True
wakhe.
colours wakhe, you understand? Same amanye ama-actors vele, when you call them, like, or when they call you, like, ngicela ungayi chance, then ungayi chance. On the day, mele sishude, umuntu ucima ifone. But if it was a big production, bengekayenze
Beke
lento
ngeke
leyo.
ayenze.
So that's where some of my movies, you see, yeah, act at the same time, you shoot a bit. But manje ayibe mnandi because of like ngidlala le character leyo because of like lo muntu akekho and
Oh,
abantu bakhona
no.
bagibele, understand?
Yeah.
Okay, ngizothatha i-camera yami ngiyisethe just like he did now.
Yeah.
Set up my angle. And then most mangabheka kahle ama-shots wami mangishutele self. It's not a handheld. It's a chill. It's either
yeah.
or something.
Ubekile washiya lapho.
Yes, yeah.
Woo,
So like
creativity.
it's something like that. Yeah, one.
Okay.
So that's why ngithi mina, when it comes to artists, I won't lie to you. I'm not saying it's right what the industry do, but like if you sign it, you don't have to come
Uzo-complain.
on social media. Hey, bangropile, hey, banginekeni, hey, moto yami bayithathile. You signed. You signed. And some people change mabaceda ukuthola amakudile. And then mabathi uzohlala ku townhouse, uyajabula, right? But it's not even your title deed. You understand what I'm saying? So if let's say, I don't know if it's okay to talk about this, but Java is being smart from back then. Nabo Raf. Raf is the guy who produced for our MT, like the whole crew.
Yes.
You understand? So he's the guy behind the masterminds. You understand? And SK, the late SK, he was his partner. And then kuna Cruz Africa and so on. So these guys mostly, like especially Java, he owns his music.
Oh.
If Java age abakhona kusasa, abantwana bakhe nefamily yakhe is still
Safe.
gonna be fed from his music
Oh,
because
right.
of EIP yakhe no Raf. You understand what I'm saying?
Oh.
So khona abantu bafika nje like ngibona la sebe ba complain ngo Maphorisa. Ukuthi Maphorisa wenze 1 2 3 4. But uspana go production of Maphorisa, he does everything. He likes his space, understand? Maybe ngagaya usage uthi uSpanish or perform and so on, but the IP it will never be yours. That's why you see like Michael Jackson before he died like he was trying to buy a catalog back. You buying your own work back. Ukuthi noma ngashona abantwana
Still babe
bakhe.
safe.
Yeah, like we can claim Masambro, like ama royalties, little time, all those things, understand? Now the problem I think now is because of like everyone can afford a studio. And you think you are business minded. I can have a proper studio in Maringana business. Then that's where you're gonna get uti. Okay, Z when I was on Shala was run official social media my pages, and then
Yes.
when I was on Yenzela 1 2 3, when I was on Editella, when I was understand?
Yeah.
That's where you start creating a team.
Your
So
team.
money, everything you think like I'm a boss and petty young kid. No, you're not. You need to work with people. You understand? And then you need to know if a contract is nice. It's always nice. My pegile so plus sebak ama number.
Yeah,
Ama
yeah,
number
yeah,
afihla
Yeah.
whatever's on the paper. If you know sometimes you'll read something in English, you feel like you know it in Mari, you're not sure. Get a lawyer. Akuchazele ukuthi la iclose ithi. You understand? So mina that's why mina you never see me commenting kubantu bathi ama record label abadlile and so on. I feel like it's
Because
childish.
basifakile ne.
Basifakile lapho. Yeah. Remember like now it's all about digital.
Yeah.
Yeah, back then amathizi bebenza imali on the streets. You understand? It's like, see, we can even go back to Zola 7. There was no Zola, there was no Zola 7 before IPOM. I mean, Ketoraf.
Yes.
Ketoraf made Zola. You understand? So if you're investing in me behind the scenes, and then ngithole deal ya 10 billion from any network, saying for no keeper. Okay, what about what I started with you? You understand? So Tina Bantu Amnyama, when you start getting there, not like, hey,
we become crazy.
Yeah, it's crazy. 1 million nyana nje ya yashanya ngiyamkhipha. You understand?
Okay.
And then what amanyama artists don't know is that like some labels, you know, some labels they pay insurance for you without you being aware.
No.
Yeah, it's like sort of like mawushona manje ngikhafi insurance yakho, I'm claiming that money, but your family doesn't know about it.
Because nama documents wami wonke ne.
Yonke. From your ID numbers, everything.
No ways.
Yes. And then the catalog yakho, that's nokubona mos amartist mashona. High rotation, it's a high rotation. Ngapha na ngapha yadlalwa. Imali yakuphi? To the label.
Yo,
Yeah.
this is deep, Baba.
It's deep. Yeah, like that's why the industry is rigged and you will never change it. Ingachinja lapho nalapho, but it will never change.
So kahle this side your music is deeper than acting ne?
It's deeper.
Yeah,
it's
nginothise leyo nto
deeper.
leyo hle ukuthi
It's
it is
deeper.
deeper.
And then sometimes like ama managers are the one who introduces ama artist ku tracks. You understand? Angithi manje wena as a manager, I'm feeding you. You understand? You're just a manager. So wena you don't care ukuthi ngiyophefuma Cape Town, ngiyophefuma ePitori and then Khathela or Khathalang. So a manager accept wonke ama
bookings.
bookings. That's why uthola ukuthi artists bathalfikanga eTaung. Because manje distance from la to Taung. Mele ngene ngo10 lapho is then uyozoshaya into manager uthi hayi sorry sizokala next time so perform mahala what to do. Understand? Ha intona bamba kanje uzoba right masifika le. Because endleleni bayanepa. I remember when it was the first time we perform over 5 to 6 clubs in a day. What Vukani course, Mr. Congo. Yeah, Vukani is very well connected when it comes to our club. He can make your tour like. Ungangena kule club uphume kule club ungena kule club perform. That's why I was like, but what I learned from Vukani is that like ama gigs wakhe wonke is like if I am Mpumalanga uzoba nama gig 10 maybe lapho. You understand? Not Mpumalanga or Cape Town uthi Botswana, and so it's impossible to manage that time.
Yeah.
Because sometimes ngathi hayi ngizofika ngesikhathi ku airplane you know mele ungene lapha an hour before.
Yeah.
You understand? So what if kune traffic endleleni? Already you lost the gig. You understand?
So endleleni already.
Exactly. So ama manager sometimes bafaka ama artist ekhoneni. Even in acting, you know they do that.
Yeah.
Yasaba bamba kanje.
Yeah.
Hey, ufuna role hlabise lapho. It's in the industry. The industry is dirty. Even don't act like you don't know.
I do, bruh.
And then you know ukuthi amanye amajita ahlabiwa ngithi.
Yeah, I know.
Exactly.
Mfethu.
So if you have dignity yakho, ufila ukuthi okay, akusisikhathi sami. Uzoba right until isikhathi sakho sifike. Isikhathi sakho it's not a mistake. Rejection is not a mistake. You understand? Mina whatever I have now, ayikho umuntu ozothi ngibi ngimenzele 1 2 3 4. I worked hard for what I have at the moment and I'm still hustling. Angakangeni. I made a door, but angakangeni.
Yeah, ne.
You understand? So like now what I've grown from filming production to distribution. You understand? Before I distribute you movie to broadcasting channel, what I do, I go through my preview and check out my mistakes and then I fix it because I can edit now. Wow. I balance the sound if it's correct, I do whatever. If I feel like hey, le yangihlola, who can do it? Asikhulume nobani asenzele sempatale. You understand? Then sometimes we can do everything good, sometimes we can feel like hey, mixing and mastering yakho correct for that song, for that type of someone who's better than me to do it. You understand? So industry like is like so yeah. But I know amajita vele wadliwa kakhulu ku industry. Angithi lithi amashare adliwa kudliwa amajita kakhulu ngidlila amashare.
Really?
Yeah, it does happen. They know, they know if they watching they know.
How do they know?
They know.
You know.
I'm not lying.
Bruh.
Yeah, it's not just ukuthi badliwa amajita straight. Khona abanye balala nabo gogo abaphethe certain positions. You understand? When out yakho iphuma ithi bibi ngiyoshaya night shift, ubusy nogogo gogo uyambhekela, telecontract. They do it. Yeah, they do it.
Yeah.
We've been approached, Nati, we know these things. But you need to say no if you believe in what you want to do. Say no.
No.
If you're hungry for money, you're hungry for fame. The price of fame is dangerous.
That part ibhlungu kakhulu ke, because like if bebe sithi keep imali yabona makusithwa keep ijojo, that one is under bruh.
But that's what I'm saying. Even though Jojo say cover, and then uthi balala like even though you're a good actress or an actor, you're gonna always feel like mahamba lapho izoba ngathi hey abantu bayazi, but you're not sure. They don't know maybe, but when you feel like bias. But if ungene straight, noma uya for your audition, you know ukuthi you did your well, even though bangak pick up. You understand? Yeah. That's all. Unokubona mahlele phansi ubhekele movie uthi ayi lona nyamshaya 10 not mara ungene.
You know what? Ubone nje ukuthi yo mfethu ibhlungu ke leyo. Ibhlungu kakhulu.
So there's an industry for you. Yeah.
No, this party yokuthi amadoda in kunaba hayi mina bengicabanga ukuthi this thing ilapha kithi kuphela. Like yithi esinye like uyahamba uya kuma auditions, the next thing uthola icall ngicela ungithumelela ama photos. Obvious umuntu masithi ufuna ama photos, obvious ufuna ama pictures, professional pictures, right?
Yes.
Fine, you do send those pictures. The next thing umuntu uzothi don't you have maybe sexy pictures?
Yes.
Yini sexy picture ke manje?
I mean, like if ngithi mina fully character so from maybe age maybe 23 to 28. Send me your pictures proper and tell me my picture. Why must I ask you for a nude or a sexy picture for that? Because of your character. You must angithi mafuni actress. Uyacaba uthi ufunela for
AP character. Yeah.
Understand? So if the character has nothing to do with nudes, why would you ask for understand? Unless what you ngifuna ama club scenes amantombazana amathweka
mawukhe waba specific uyazi uthi audition ube uyazi ukuthi wena uzohamba mabhunabhuna at least uyayazi ke ukuthi mayifuna ama nudes kumele ukuthi ube comfortable. But manje uyoba unesi but bafuna ama nudes for what?
Dangerous. Because of like kufana ne always advise amacheri ne the amacheri like stubborn sometimes where like umuntu ubona post online and ufuna ukuya lapho. Some agencies baspana nge-human trafficking. You understand? So that's why it's always wise ukuthi uyenze i-background check ukuqala ukuthi le company it's so and ungayi lapha futhi uyi-one for the first time. You understand? Mangabhekisa sana mangayigugula manje uyabona ikhona yenzakala noma ufike uzothola ama security uzothola abantu bayekuthayo khona lapho from scheme time to whatever, understand? Then kune building nje Jozi bathi CBD ayingena uyabona ukuthi la but still uyangena, you understand? People are so desperate to point ukuthi they willing to risk their life for a opportunity.
Khona bekhile babanjwa for BBC ku music
video.
Uyakhumbula ne?
Got raped ne?
Yeah.
I think someone in Krugersdorp, I heard about it. We also had something like that before, I think it's 6 years ago, 10 years ago. There's a shooter somewhere behind Joburg. So I'm asking these guys, hey, bro, this place is creepy. It's a shooter vele, and we would discuss. Luckily, azange barepala abantu mazana. What they did, basfake emotweni, sonke salala phansi.
No, why is we victim?
Yeah. And this guy's like head. So I see man omunye uyayehla yakhuphuka bona. Then kuphuma omunye from nowhere. I'm like, hey bra, but you see kunekazi la move or what. I'm like, location on set there must be security. Like, no, we shot here before gospel what. And then we were shooting a music video for the guys from Congo, I think. Congo or Zimbabwe. But had everything equipment. I think buma 3 cameras.
No.
The only light abahlulile enkulu le round le wala le where you can make like lights from outside.
Yes.
yeah cause yena is heavy bathatha wonke ama lights ama phones so mina iphone yami ngilahlele phansi kwemoto cause I saw this thing is not
Oh,
khona into
look
wrong
at
la.
you.
Yeah mangiphuma ngithatha iphone bathi how did you bra mina ngilahlele phansi kwemoto
Yo.
yabona so masifike police station they like guys we keep on telling you man you shooter in isigangeni come through we don't charge just kumele uba kayi notice ukuthi ngelanga leso if by change ama police bazonga even e1 ihambe balethe enye kanjalo understand so we didn't do that. That's where I learned as well. I'm like oh kune location on set mele vele kube ne security and so on noma singashutile esikolweni eKasi ungangena abantu basibambe inkosi so there needs to be security there needs to be yabona mina ngiyaza ngizokushutela ngithi yonke into right bangithathele izinto mangithi ngibhatale uthi hayi nami
ngeke yo
exactly so mina umuntu mangathi so shoota kuphi without ngithi hey without security and number khat I'm not going there because some equipment is expensive.
It is
yabona I had an speaking about the production yam being shy around in Orange Cape at my hometown and then my cousins like one of them uthenga imoto sibane emayini yabona is like this guy wangabuyele kasi because of like ijozi yakuhlola yabona and then the other one is like hey bra uyacaba equipment ala uthi costa malini lengths alone I'm not talking about like so people like they don't know tina ihustle yethu sayifuna you want to achieve this mina unganga imoto yakho manje uthi gift and I see it's worth 80,000 rand mina ngiyothenga ama lens ne camera I'm gonna trade it in. You understand? Because imoto zodla mina.
Yeah,
I can't afford to. Yes.
Yeah.
So if I can't be renting, lapha ngala khona futhi ngirent imoto ngapha like petrol and services. I believe imoto mawuyithenga uzoyithenga ngesikhathi sakho. Why you feel like angeke ngiyithatha imoto ngiyifake ekhoneni ku mechanic bayifix. Yeah, ngiyahambisa lapha iphuma khona for servicing.
Wow.
So some things for me is not necessary. I have my title deed for a piece of land so I'm okay. You understand I'm sorry. So angeke ngivuke ngizame papa loba ko kai like I'm okay. Yeah, I'm going to get there. You understand?
Wow.
Yeah.
Mfethu usebenzile hlena like ngiyazibona lezi zinto lezi uthi usazozenza ukhulume ngewine.
Yes.
Ne
Yeah, water.
Flavored water ne.
Flavored water, yeah.
Okay.
And then branding. I'm also working on a sneaker now for Life Yakas. Wow. Same brand. So, you know, I'm a designer to vele ngipheke umuntu ungathi ngizospanisana naye isikhathi maybe at least 3 years nyana ngibone ukuthi sophuma kanjani. Yeah.
Okay.
I've been working on a sneaker for 3 years now. The design, everything is okay. Just nje ngiplan ibe khona like physically then I'm okay.
All right, before sivale mfethu I would like to know if kungathiwa like kune union for ama artist like kungayenza kala kanjani like
ukusibe khona.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if you're my actors khona actors.
I know.
Mara I think if I'm a vegetarian like the main characters like Buma can use this guy. Okay, like I'm actors are very well known. If bangaba am a forefront, if they really care about them background actors as well.
Yes.
And then this bahlangane noma ngaba nama petition mhlambe that you need to sign and go to angazi maybe angazi where you can go or just create the thing from the ground from scratch or from ama leader ibe wona lawa ama actors
azoyenza lento
leyo you understand because of like if uzoyenza ama background actors nje bazothi ayabani lapha
so they need to have like
background 4 or 5 ama
veterans,
yeah
yes.
You understand and same time baba yenzele nama classes on Saturdays or once in a month kuhlanganwe ngale ndaba zama background actors and if ayikho vele uniform actors as well I think if ingaba khona for everyone
for ama actors
from
as well
supporting role from
yeah
like
because
everyone,
now ama
yeah.
actors ayakhala like sibona ama actors begcwele ku social media befuna usizo you understand
yes
yeah so like if ingaba ngiyama actors
wonke yes because I like come on like I knew a guy he would work from in Braamfontein to nginyawo. So like to my Auckland Park nginyawo, like you know, like there's people really love this thing. So mangaba umuntu uzoba representer. You understand? Even nama lawyer who can really represent ama background actors but within the industry. You understand? Because of like I saw a post last year, this guy bega complain is I think when some creep or is a rig, bega complain with they also get abused behind the scenes. Not just actors as well. Like the industry as a whole. You understand? Let's say on 10 years old actor, and then most stop. Are you gonna get something like just like Muntosbane mine? No, nothing. That's why you see Spane 5 years, and then the movie yakho uSpane kuyo sadlala namanje, but when you're not getting a cent.
Ulambe uphelile.
Yes, exactly. Umuntu ahlangana nayo kanti uhamba ngeTaxi akusolo work kuphi kuphi.
Yeah.
So I think union mangaba khona.
At least noma sowuhleli phansi kube khona something oyitholayo ne. Beke khuluma leyo nto leyo uMamnandi athi yena kade esebenza. Angazi uthe una 50 years. Ngathi uthe una 50 years since a actor. But then now akana next.
Exactly.
Like kunzima ukuthi aye ku doctor, kumele ukuthi aye kwi public hospital, in kumele ukuthi ayenza ama operation. Like akuna next azoyithola, like if awusebenzi awutholi anything.
Yes.
Then kumele ukuthi kube na
I think it needs to union belebe khona, especially for my background actors as well. Belebe khona and ama rates wakhona still I think amela khophoke. Ngeke ukhole 250 in this day. I mean officially at 281. Like for real. Abanye baya rent, abanye baya hlanganisana like yeah, union is needed. I don't know nami or not is ngayipusha as awareness kuma social kube nemhlangano, like I know ama actors can bangahlangana Braamfontein or Newtown. It's a home of art, like kuhlangana nje kube something way forward. I don't know how, but I think it needs to
think about that. I think we need to do something like that for I think.
Yabona. Just nje mawungafaki date abantu bahlangane kube ne meeting, it can be Newtown, Baseline, sicele somewhere where singahlangana khona or market theater. Yeah. You understand? Right. So that's my thought. Just I didn't think about that union thing because I want to spend my money bana my union.
Bana umfethu bayalwela.
So I haven't heard about it before.
Yeah, because like enye into ukuthi ama actors kukhona abantu abangifonelayo ne but siyafuna ukuzokhuluma, but then the minute sikhuluma siyavalelwa ku-industry. Basike sakhuluma because sinazo problems, but angeke sikhona ukukhuluma because the minute ukhuluma bakukhiphela ngaphandle awusaphinde uthole next.
Yeah, but it akakapheli mariphelile. But ibengeke iphele if bongana itoyitoyi and so on. So it's either you stand up or uzoba slave forever. You must decide ukuthi ngiyakhuluma or angikhulumi. So mina I say khulumani.
Yeah, ama artists kena ayesaba bangixoxela nje like if ungaboni inbox yami umuntu uvesena abhali ukuthi ne problem so but ngiyesaba ukukhuluma because angeke ngisathola next bazongivalela. We understand ukuthi kune freedom ngapha but abantu still bayesaba ukukhuluma bayabulaleka.
And I think it futhi like why must there be a middleman? Why not ama production like banga qashi ama actors direct?
Okay, that's a good question.
You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So ama middlemen 80% yabo nje
yeah,
they abuse abantwana.
Ngikhe ngathi kena crazy if maybe ama productions angathi mayefuna icrew afune ne-agent for leyo production leyo. For instance kuleyo production yakho ungiceshe mina ukuthi masifuna abantu sizobafuna kuwe. So ngibhadalwa like imali iphuma straight from you to the background. Not ukuthi isuka kuwe ize kimi isuka lana like maybe kungabangcono na kanjalo ukuthi imali isuke ku production. Into iScandal besiyenza lento le, I'm not sure ukuthi basayenza lento leyo. Kune agent yeScandal like bayakubooka straight from there from iScandal like ubhadalwa iScandal not ukuthi ubhadala.
Remember SSN ne? Yes, I remember. You see like now I'm having a problem. I don't know uzothatha kanjani but khona le movie edlalayo yabona. We got paid. you know, for first time in a quality, it won't be like way logo cool, understand?
Yes.
So my actors wakhona they calling me like, yo, Tshepo lo muntu akasibhadalanga kanjani? Ngithi mina ngifakile imali accountini yakhe. Kanti yena behind ukhuluma ukuthi Tshepo greedy akabhadalanga blah blah.
Uyabona
Then I
ukuthi upente
created
igama
a
lakho.
group and then ngiyafaka a proof of payment. You understand? So that's why like we should sometimes I'm a middleman is a problem.
Yeah.
If I had that idea with okay, I think imgaya yakhe then ngiphathele talent.
Yes.
But not the problem the talent mina ngize ngi-equipment nje. I-talent they already had an agreement nalo muntu loya. So like you say ngibhadala wena then wena bhadala my but if I knew ukuthi bengeka bhadala abantu I was going to do it direct from my account. Yeah, like manje bafuna uku-investa ku-movie yami ngizothi kuye hayi ngicela ubhadale ama-actors direct and then mina i-production yami uzoyibhadala direct so that you can manage ukuthi okay for my-actors wonke ithathe 30,000 or 40,000 and for wena na-crew yakho izothatha this much. So some of them they never got paid till now. Yeah. So like it's still.
But at least igama lakho li-clinic eh?
No, I did clean it because
Yeah,
of like
yeah.
I had like utibeka kuluma ngame behind the scenes. I'm like I didn't wanna go back and forth. Create a group, nyafaka proof of payment,
Then
and then proof of payment iphume from the broadcaster is a game. Uthi this is money, this is my card, and then this is what I sent. And then they had their own thing bakhuluma la sapela pa esayitini. I didn't want to be involved and I deleted the group ngiyaphuma kuyo. Understand? So I know vele industry there's greedy people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Crazy. Abantu abafuna ukubooka for ukuthi ubashutela ama-movies for umshado, ne?
Yeah.
Yeah, like umuntu ofuna ukubooka uthola kuphi?
Bangabheka Self-G Media everywhere or bangangicontact like 2084 325 4494. Yes. But for performance at the moment ngime kancane yeah it's training me. Nginespanish buying edit for you like I nap ngilala like less.
Oh man.
So because I do everything alone from editing and everything so like yeah I don't have a team yet.
Oh right.
Yeah.
Right. Thank you so much man for coming.
No, thank you
Really
for having me.
appreciate it.
Yeah.
Really,
Keep on pushing man. I feel like more people can come to you like Bazokuluma. I do have some friends in the industry. Yeah, I'll reach out and ngibatshele ukuthi khona platform so.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Guys, thank you so much. Thank you for being with us. Until we meet next time. Tango.
Saludo.